Hello, my name is Jyoti Nukula, and I'm the lead product manager for AI and ML across all Meta apps. I use my expertise in innovation and cutting-edge technologies to drive meaningful outcomes for customers. 5 out of the 12 years of my product management experience was spent leading the development of cutting-edge hardware and software machine learning-based products at AWS. With 12 patents in machine learning to my name and previous experience in incorporating ML into 3D printing, I feel confident in being able to guide you in the field of product management for AI and ML. This course is designed for product managers who want to move into the field of cutting-edge and next-generation technology, specifically AI and ML, as well as for software PMs who want to upgrade their skills. And if you have less than 2 years of experience as PM for AI and ML, this course will bring your knowledge to the next level. Here's what you can expect. You will learn about the fundamental principles of machine learning, including deep learning, and how to evaluate and interpret ML models. I'll teach you the end-to-end development process for ML projects, best practices for designing ML systems, and how to mitigate privacy and ethical risks in AI. You'll also learn about human-centered design practices to build successful AI product experiences and how to build AI systems that augment human intelligence. The course includes interactive office hours, demos, workshops, and a hands-on final project that will allow you to apply your newfound knowledge and skills. We'll cover everything from defining product strategy and managing development to understanding customer needs and optimizing the user experience. And to spark your innovation and success as a PM, we'll also dive into the latest trends and practical advancements in AI and ML. By the end of the course, you'll be equipped with the tools and techniques you need to drive product development and evaluate your own performance. I'm excited to share my experiences and knowledge with you and help you become a skilled product manager in the world of AI and ML. Can't wait to see you in the class.